Today, let's talk about the weBoost Office 200 commercial kit from Powerful Signal. So Kevin, what service providers or carriers does this system work with?
Well, in the United States, it works with just about all of them, and probably all of them. This is a wideband amplifier. That means it supports multiple bands. Each one of those bands has multiple frequencies, and it will support all the major US carriers that are out there.
What makes the Office 200 commercial kit with Top Signal components different?
Well, Powerful Signal has spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to make something that's really good better. And so we started out with the Wilson Office 200, which is top of the line, excellent technology. And we added some better components. And we added a variety of antenna numbers. We can go from 1, 2, 3, or 4 antennas for the interior. And we also added a high gain omnidirectional antenna to the exterior, which allows us to pick up weaker signal. And between the two of those, we think we have a higher performance kit than anybody else does.
When would you use an Office 200 system?
Well, the Office 200 is extremely flexible because it's so good and we have the right components. This can be used in a commercial building. It might be 5,000 square feet, 10,000 square feet, or maybe even a little bit more. But you can also use it in large homes. We have a lot of success with our components, our Top Signal components, and putting these into a large home that might be 5,000 or 10,000 square feet. So there's a lot of places you can use an Office 200, usually in your smaller buildings that have a little bit more square footage.
Okay, Kevin, so what is the install process for this kit?
I'm glad you asked. It's the same as all the other consumer kits. It's pretty basic. You'll notice 2 ports here. We have 1 port that goes to the outside antenna and 1 port that goes to the inside antennas, 1 or more antennas. The thing about it is you need to run this kind of cable to the antennas. So that's really the hard part, is finding a cable path through your attic or someplace to get from the amplifier to the antennas. And that's about it.
So Kevin, why buy the Top Signal series from Powerful Signal?
Well, I can think of 2 good reasons, and there's probably more. But the first reason is that we're going to help you get the right configuration. This amplifier comes with either 1, 2, 3, or 4 antennas. So we're going to help you figure out which one you need, what setup you need. We're also going to go through and talk about the exterior antenna, maybe the different kinds of exterior antennas that can be used. This is the one that is sort of the default with the kit. And the second good reason is that you can only buy this system from Powerful Signal. And we will be able to get you the right system and the right performance for the building that you have, the home you need. And Powerful Signal is the only place that you can buy it.
Thank you, Kevin. For more information about this kit or any of the other kits that we carry, visit powerfulsignal.com.